The first step is selecting the right size glove. A glove that is too small is prone to tearing and puts stress on the user's hand, which can cause fatigue and injury. You can see this glove is too small by the stretch marks that are formed when the fingers are straightened. A glove that is too large will cause a loss in dexterity. The excess material creates folds, extends beyond the fingers, and can become glove fragments that enter in food. Remove any hand and wrist jewelry. Nail length should be below your fingertip to avoid snagging the glove. Thoroughly wash your hands, and in a clean area, select the appropriate size glove. Hold the glove in one hand, begin to insert the other hand, spread your fingers, and pull the glove towards your wrist to cover as much skin as possible and secure the glove. After the glove is on, check to make sure there are no holes or tears. Repeat those steps for the other glove. And there you have it. We have our disposable gloves on and we're ready to get to work. Pinch one glove at the wrist and remove glove by pulling away from your body. Continue holding the glove you just removed in your gloved hand. Slide fingers of your bare hand inside the cuff of the glove you're still wearing. Pulling away from your body, peel off the second glove, turning it inside out and leaving the first glove inside as you remove it. Dispose the glove safely and wash your hands before touching any other surfaces.